Consumers in the capital are struggling under the weight of skyrocketing prices of essential commodities. This week, the cost of onions, chicken, fish, eggs and vegetables has risen sharply, leaving both buyers and sellers frustrated. Onion prices rose by Taka 5 to 7 per kg this week, selling at Taka 70 to 80. Broiler chicken reached Taka 190 per kg, up by Taka 10. Fish and vegetable prices also climbed sharply. Tilapia now costs Taka 220 to 300 Taka, while green chilies and eggplant sell for Taka 200 to Taka 220. Traders cite poor supply, but consumers blame syndicates and urge stronger government monitoring to control the market.